Good morning, Memeda and friends. My name is Alfatara Vanita with the student number P0324049, and this is my report on translation basic Indonesian to English translation final exam. And now let's move on to the first. This is the source text. Let me read for you guys. Wisata Karanganyar, air terjun Grojogan Sewu. Air terjun Grojogan Sewu yang berarti air terjun 1000 dalam bahasa Jawa adalah salah satu air terjun terindah di Indonesia. Terletak di kawasan Tawangmangu, Karanganyar, air terjun ini menawarkan pemandangan yang spektakuler dan suasana yang menenangkan. Saat Anda tiba di air terjun Grojogan Sewu, Anda akan langsung terpesona oleh keindahan alam yang melimpah. Air terjun ini memiliki ketinggian sekitar 80 meter dan airnya jatuh dengan kuat membentuk semburan air yang menakjubkan. Suara gemuruh air yang jatuh dan semilir angin yang menyegarkan akan memberikan pengalaman yang menenangkan dan memanjakan indera Anda. Selain keindahan air terjun itu sendiri, sekitar air terjun Grojogan Sewu juga terdapat hutan tropis yang hijau dan subur. Anda dapat menjelajahi jalur-jalur hiking yang tersedia untuk menikmati keindahan alam sekitar dan melihat flora dan fauna yang unik. Jangan lupa untuk membawa kamera karena Anda akan menemukan banyak pemandangan yang layak untuk diabadikan. Jam buka jam 8 sampai jam 16 sore. Alamat Jalan Raya Tawangmangu, Beji, Kecamatan Tawangmangu. Dan kita akan and now we move on to the translated text provided by Memida. This is the wrong one, not the final one. So Grojogan Sewu Waterfall, which means 1000 waterfall in Javanese language, is one of the most beautiful waterfall in Indonesia. It is located in Tawangmangu area, Karanganyar. This waterfall offers spectacular scenery and calming atmosphere. When you arrive at Grojogan Sewu Waterfall, you will directly amazed by the overflowing natural beauty. This waterfall have height around 80 meters and the water falls strongly, making amazing water splash. The roaring sound of falling water and the blowing refreshing wind will give you calming experience and spoil your senses. Beside the beauty of the waterfall itself, around Grojogan Sewu Waterfall, also there are green and fertile tropical forests. You can explore the available hiking tracks for enjoying the beauty of surrounding nature and see unique flora and fauna. Don't forget for bring camera because you will find many scenery which worthy to be captured. Opening hours 8 to 16 p.m. and address Jalan Raya Tawangmangu, Beji, Tawangmangu district. Now let's move on for the correction sections. This sentence, which means 1000 waterfall in Javanese language, should be which means 1000 waterfalls in Javanese. And this is I provided the example or maybe the evidence the evidence of the waterfalls from warungfiksi.net, and is one of the most beautiful waterfall in Indonesia. The correct way and the correct one is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Indonesia. And the reason is because in English, nouns following numerical quantifiers or 1000 or superlative plus most must take plural form referring to countable nouns generally. And let's move on to next one. I corrected this version is it is located in Tawangmangu area, Karanganyar. This waterfall offers spectacular scenery, and the correct one should be located in Tawangmangu area of Karanganyar. These waterfalls offer spectacular scenery. And this is I provided the example from tawangmangu.net, which you can see this located in Tawangmangu area of Karanganyar Regency, Central Java, Indonesia. And the reasoning is because Indonesian frequently links clauses with commas without conjunctions, paratactic style. But English requires either conjunction, a period, or restructuring to avoid a comma splice. which you can see in this Tawangmangu area, comma, Karanganyar, comma again. This sounds wrong, and the correct one is located in Tawangmangu area of Karanganyar. Let's move on to the next one. I find the mistakes. The sentence is blah 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 will give calming experience and spoil your senses, and the correct one is should be blah 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 will give you a soothing experience that delights your senses. And this is the evidence. At some point your attorney will give you. This is the main point. Give you. Oh, I'm sorry. Because in English, the verb give in this context is typically used with a direct or indirect object structure. For example, to give someone something, following standard verb complementation patterns. Let's move on to the next one. From the sentence, the mistake is around Grojogan Sewu waterfall. Also, there are green and fertile tropical forests, and the correct one is there is also a green and lush tropical forest surrounding Grojogan Sewu. Yes, we can see the evidence here. Lush green canopies from the lush green canopies to shadowy forest flowers, and this is from charlesboyklaw.com. And the reasoning is because English extential sentences typically follow there is or there are plus non-phrase plus location. In this case is there are green and fertile tropical, but I changed it to there is, which is not the non-phrase is green and lush tropical forest plus location, which is Grojogan Sewu. This is a structural or syntactic transfer issue. Let's move on to the next one, which is the last one, I believe. The sentence is, don't forget for bring camera because you will find many scenery which worthy to be captured. And the correct one is, I believe, don't forget to bring a camera as you will find many sights worth capturing. And let's take a look at the evidence here. Bringing a camera along would also be a grand idea as there are so many sights worth capturing. This is from geocaching.com, and the reasoning is because let's move on the corner. For bring to bring, because yeah, that's the correct way to write it. And the missing article a camera, as you can see here, don't forget for bring camera. It's wrong. It should be don't forget to bring a camera. And scenery is usually treated as a noun in English. Many scenery is incorrect. It should be many things or sights. And let's move on to A. And then worthy to be captured is a natural collocation. Native English prefers words capturing, as you can see in here, as you will find many sites worth capturing. And then this is the correct translation. This is my translation for this text. Karanganyar tourism, Grojogan Sewu waterfall. Grojogan Sewu waterfall, which means 1,000 waterfalls in Javanese, is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Indonesia. Located in Tawangmangu area of Karanganyar, this waterfall offers spectacular scenery and a calming atmosphere. When you arrive at the Grojogan Sewu waterfall, you will be immediately amazed by its abundant natural beauty. This waterfall has a height around 80 meters, and the water falls forcefully, creating a stunning splash. The roaring sound of the falling water and the refreshing breeze will give you a soothing experience that delights your senses. Beside the beauty of the waterfall itself, there is also a green lush tropical forest surrounding Grojogan Sewu. You can explore the available hiking trails to enjoy the natural beauty around you and see unique flora and fauna. And don't forget to bring a camera as you will find many sights worth capturing. Opening hours 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and address Jalan Raya Tawangmangu, Peji, Tawangmangu District. That's all for my translation final exam project. Thank you for watching and thank you Memida. See you.